Alright, here we go. Backyard farmer here. Look at that. Things are sprouting up. Anybody know how I can get the cats from coming into my yard? These stray cats coming in and pooping in my garden? Let me know. Anyway, back to, look y'all, found some strawberries. I ain't planted them yet since they calling for a storm for the next like 5 days, so I just set them there. But I ain't gonna plant them at the bottom. Probably the first 3. And that's the basil, the little basil I had. Just stuck that in there to keep that from the rain. But anyway, probably the first 3, I'm gonna plant the strawberries, and I'm also add some mint and lemon balm. So that's what this tile gonna be right here. All right, so let's get an update. See what? Look at that. Everything's sprouting up. Here go the zinnias. Sorry for the sun. And these are supposed to be the strawberries that I had planted from the little kit I got. Sorry for the sun, but who knows? Let nature take over that one. But here go the greens sprouting up. Yeah, they coming along looking good. And here we go. Look at that. Look at here. Those are the zucchinis. I think that's something right there. Okay, there's something came up. Look at you popping up. Okay, something popped up. Oh, 2. Okay, I see 2. All right, here we go. Look at that. Look at my lettuce. Look at my lettuce. I kind of got scared because they was all looking the same. Everything sprouting out looking the same. I'm hoping they from the soil because I know I sifted through it real good. And look at that right there. Here we go. Okay, we got, and I showed y'all the last video. I had finished putting all the herbs in my herb garden. So I put everything in there. So that's something sprouting. No, that's just something from the tree. Okay, no, here we go. All right. We got, okay, that's the herb garden right there. And let's take a look at the rain. Okay, ain't nothing in there though. I'm gonna get some rocks to help hold down the lid, to help hold the lid down. Get some rubber rocks. Okay, everything looking good. Sprouting up, ready for this rain. Here you go. You know to check out my other page if you want to know about those 2 plants right there. Boom, boom. All right. But yeah, this how the garden coming along. I can't wait till everything starts shooting up. Hope it don't hit the power line, but yeah, here go the garden. I can't wait to start eating. All right. Yeah. I was so happy when I found some strawberries because I was about to give up. Like, please, I want some strawberries. I want to grow some strawberries this summer. I'm going to hold off on the blueberries because the birds are aggressive. But, yeah. All right, so sometime next week I'll be out here to finish up that tower. Yes, here we go. All right. Y'all know what to do. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Have any questions or comments, let me know. Yes. Coming along. All right, y'all. Enjoy the rest of y'all weekend. Happy gardening. And let me know what y'all planting. What you plan to do this summer? Summer 2025 gardening. All righty.